As a lot of you know, Austin and Matt have been helping me grow on YouTube. I've learned a lot from them, and I think it's about time I rip off one of their most popular series. What's that? I already rip off their Ultimate Console series? So I decided to go on the legendary wish.com and see what gaming stuff they had to offer. And no, I didn't just throw scam in the title to milk more views. I actually did get scammed on Wish. I'm pretending to scroll through the gaming section of the Wish app because I lost the face cam footage of me actually buying the stuff for this video. I still have the original screen recording, but I'll have to reenact all the jokes I made before we get to opening the packages. The GameSir? Is this the Game Boy's father? Why are these in the gaming section? Alright, that's enough. I'll just let the stuff I actually bought be a mystery to you guys. A wish-tery, if you will. If you're wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses, I thought I'd put on the one thing I actually own from Wish. These are my $1 sunglasses that I ironically just broke. Let's open our first item up. It's multiple items. Something really thin. And something much larger. It's been like a month, so I forgot I got some of this stuff. 1 second. This is not a medium. It says right there, medium. Alright, now that we've got our customary wish.com outfit, let's open this guy. What? These just look wrong. Wear finger sleeve. Wear finger sleeve while gaming. Say goodbye to sweat and slippery. Protect your fingertips. My thumbs are already getting warmer. I don't really play any mobile games, so I guess I'll try Call of Duty Mobile or something. Alright, let's play the mobile game I play the most. Tetris. I love getting an ad before I play the game. Alright, they've just given me like the worst pieces ever to start out. Alright, well, this is definitely Tetris. I don't know what else I gotta say here. It honestly feels about the same as my regular fingers, but less comfortable. It definitely makes my fingers sweaty. So far, Wish is not good. Straight up not having a good time on Wish.com. Say goodbye to wet and slippery, huh? I literally can't even grip this package. Say goodbye to opposable thumbs. Oh, a Game Boy. Shocker. Micro USB to charge. Okay. I thought I ordered the Supreme version. Oh, this is actual rechargeable battery in there. Mario 14, huh? This really feels like the 14th installment of Mario. Oh, you can't hit the top. It seems to be literally impossible. You literally can't jump high enough. And you can't even jump on Koopas like in Mario. I don't like what Mario has become. Milk and Nuts. Remember that one? I guess if you really want to, you can output this to a TV. Not good. I can't, no, it's not good. Can this wow me? The Wireless Pro Game Controller. This looks bad. It's for the Switch. Though. It's actually USB-C, shockingly, and a fat user manual. Why? So it's got bumpers and triggers. That was my first thought. So this is a full controller. Got a turbo button, a capture button, plus and minus, a home button, D-pad that you can press the entire thing down at once. Nice. That's a sign of quality. A, B, X, and Y in the Famicom style. Actually doesn't feel terrible. I mean, the D-pad, you literally just press all the buttons down at once. This doesn't seem ergonomic whatsoever. 500 milliamp hour battery. I have no idea what that's gonna do for playtime, but let's go try it out real quick, I guess. This controller is definitely functional, but I still don't recommend it. While I haven't tried any of the 8-bit Do controllers, I imagine they're a lot better than this. And even though this controller has all the buttons, if you use this as a regular controller, you need help. Yeah, this is an Amazon box. What are you gonna do about it? I told you, I got scammed. This last product didn't show up. ever. Like a lot of the stuff you've seen in this video, you can literally just buy it on Amazon. And also, it was the exact same price on Amazon. And it got here in 2 days instead of, well, never. The GameSir. It can work wired, Bluetooth, or over a 2.4 gigahertz connection. So I assume there's going to be an adapter dongle thing in here. It's got 4 programmable buttons, apparently, and 6-axis gyro like we're on the PlayStation 3. It's for the Switch, arcade, made for iPhone, Android and iOS, and Windows. Another thick booklet with some GameSir stickers. I'll be sure to not use those. USB-C? Both the controllers here today are USB-C. We've got a dongle that looks like it's got 2 buttons, but I guess this is just a grip for pulling out your USB. I don't know. And here is the controller. I'm gonna take these off for a second. Okay, not gonna lie, this controller actually feels kind of nice. You can press the entire D-pad down. The bumpers, Triggers are great, actually. I really like the triggers. The sticks feel decent. They're not the best stick grips. I know it's ugly, but I need the camera to focus here. I like A, B, X, and Y. If it's for Switch, why would you not have the Switch style? That's going to be super confusing if I use it with the Switch. And it does have 4 programmable buttons on the back, but you can also press both buttons down on each side at the same time. And it's got a home button and a turbo button. I'm guessing the turbo button's not going to work on Switch because it's got the capture logo right next to it. But this is made for iPhone, and I can just game like this. I use a pop socket with my phone, so I can't really have it centered. Even if I take the accordion off, I can't have it centered. This controller just straight up doesn't work. Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. Nope, the finger gloves don't help in this situation. Darn it. Oh, I can actually snap. Okay, well, this was a giant bust. Pretty much all of these items were just awful. How do you do it, Austin? I have no clue. I can't even get a sweatshirt that fits. My thumbs are sweating. So, did I get scammed? Yes, I did. The GameSir is still yet to ship. The finger gloves made my thumbs sweat. And my sweatshirt was 2 sizes too small, for crying out loud. Amazon even scammed me because the backup GameSir didn't even work. So unless this video does insanely well, I am never doing this again. If you really want me to do this again, let me know by subscribing. We are so close to 10 million, it's really unbelievable. So like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Guess I can turn off this camera.